Greetings everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Alright, so today we have STYGIMOLOCH. We have this from the original Jurassic World. And this is from the Dino Reveal. That used to be a, like, had a skeleton color in it, and you put it in water, it dissolves. Okay, so there's no feature. They sort of downgrade this as well. The neck does not move anymore. It used to be like going down or up. But then just the head still rotates though, at least. Alright, so this one right here is a classic one. There's a DNA scan on it. Oh yeah, this one, yeah, definitely no DNA scan. This one has it. If you guys don't have this yet, you go ahead and scan that. So this one has like I think I already showed this before, I don't know, as far as I remember. You wind it, I think you wind it and you let go and start running as well. Oops, well, okay, there's an old thing. It's right there. It's like pedaling. You can move the head. So the reason why we have this is because we have the Hammond Collection STYGIMOLOCH. Alright, so like I said, I wish they put this face over here, like it used to be. Now it's totally different. So we have all of these. And there you have it. Another Hammond Collection for today. We're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Alright. Oops. Oh no, I damaged a box. Not good. There. Alright, let's check it out. So this one came out from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. That's right there. I think it had it met up with the Indoraptor back in the movie. So a nice piece right here. Check that out. There's the tail. Now let's bring him out of his casing. You can tell the eye is also made of marble. Go. Nice coloration right there, like faded dirt on its horns. Pretty cool. Way better than the classic ones. Okay, so let's take him out. It's still... I don't want to damage this thing. Let's be extra careful. Okay. That's one out. Now the other. Okay. Now let's put the tail in. Tail, please. Okay.
Wow.
There you have it.
Cool.
Nice. It has a little horn over there as well. I didn't know that.
That's goofy.
Look at that. Look at the dome on its head. It's really nice.
It's like a bomb.
It's pretty much the best STYGIMOLOCH yet.
It's like a bubble.
The mouth articulates. There you go. That's good. That's a plus. Tail's made of rubber, nice and soft. Arms, they all articulate, which is good. So it's a Hammond Collection. The ankle rotates, so yeah, a lot of articulation in this thing. The eyes looks so realistic. Look at that. Look at this piece. Well, compared to the Dino Reveal. Look at that. I didn't grab all the STYGIMOLOCHs anymore, because there's too many now. Here's the original. There you go.
Make it one.
Alright guys, we're gonna make it nice and short today. Nothing too fancy, but yeah, once again, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, helps a lot in the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you again guys.
Bye guys.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Make sure to like this video if you haven't yet. And subscribe. Thank you.
I love it.